In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste emojis on Discord. This is a quick, simple skill that works just like copying regular text, and it's perfect when you want to reuse a favorite emoji without searching for it again. First, find the emoji you want to copy. This could be in a message you've already seen in a channel, a direct message, or even something you're typing yourself. The key is that it needs to appear like regular text on the screen. Move your mouse to the start of the emoji, click, and drag across it to highlight it. You'll see it become selected, just as if you were highlighting a word or a sentence. If you want more than one emoji, keep dragging to include as many as you like in a single selection. Try to avoid including extra spaces unless you want them. Once the emoji is highlighted, you have two ways to copy it. You can right-click on the highlighted area and choose Copy from the menu that appears. Or, if you prefer the faster method, press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C. Both options do exactly the same thing. They place the selected emoji onto your clipboard so it's ready to paste. Now, go to the spot where you want to use the emoji in Discord. Click inside the message box so your typing cursor is there. To paste, you can right-click and select Paste, or you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V. As soon as you do, the emoji will appear exactly where your cursor is. If you copied multiple emojis, they'll paste in the same order you highlighted them. You can paste more than once if you want to repeat the emoji, or paste it into different messages or channels. If nothing appears when you paste, double-check that you actually highlighted the emoji before copying, and make sure your cursor is active in the message field. It also helps to keep your selection precise, especially if you only want a single emoji without extra characters. Remember, this method works for emojis that can be highlighted like text. If it looks and behaves like text, you can copy it and paste it the same way, and that's all there is to it. Highlight the emoji, copy it with a right-click or Ctrl+C, then paste it with a right-click or Ctrl+V where you want it. Simple, fast, and exactly like copying any other text in Discord.